Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive business management solution. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Accounts Settings feature in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to configure account-related settings in Parsimony. Let's begin by accessing the Accounting module from the Parsimony dashboard. Click on the Accounting module to proceed. The Accounting module provides a range of financial management tools, including the ability to configure various account settings. To access the Accounting Master features, navigate to the Accounting Master section. Here, you'll find the Accounts Settings option. Click on the Accounts Settings option to access the account-related settings in Parsimony. In the Accounts Settings page, you'll find a variety of configuration options to customize the behavior of accounts in Parsimony. Check Supplier Invoice Number Uniqueness. This is to avoid supplier invoice number duplicates. Unlink payment on cancellation of invoice. When this is checked, you can cancel an invoice without canceling the payment entry. It will only be unlinked. But when it is unchecked, you need to cancel the payment entry before canceling the invoice. Next, unlink advance payment on cancellation of order. This is just the same with unlink payment on cancellation of invoice. The only difference is that it's for advance payment and a sales order. Book asset depreciation entry automatically. When this is ticked, it will create an automatic recurring entry based on your desired period like monthly or yearly for the asset depreciation. The Books Closed Through field allows you to freeze accounting entries up to your desired date. Nobody can create or modify entries except users with the role specified here. Users with this role are allowed to set frozen accounts and create or modify accounting entries against frozen accounts. Once you have configured the desired account settings, click on the Save button to save your changes. Your account settings have been successfully saved. The configured settings will now be applied to your accounts in Parsimony. That's it. You've learned how to configure account settings in the Accounting Master module of Parsimony. Customizing these settings allows you to adapt Parsimony to your organization's specific accounting requirements. Thank you for watching this tutorial.